Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker EDIFIER D32. So basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. So firstly we can go to the Bluetooth, and the second one is to developer options. Firstly I will show you with the Bluetooth. And you cannot enable or disable it on your Apple device, so you have only AC codec on it. And now, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here, we have HD audio. So to enable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but at the slider have colorful background. And now let's move to developer options. So you need to, of course, enable it on your device. If you don't know how, you can check video at this channel. Just for your device, we have it. Now, when you enable it, you need to go to the settings and then to the system. Now scroll down, and right here we have developer options. Enter into developer options, and then you need to scroll down and find HD audio, or you can use a search and write HD audio here. Click on it, and the same process is to enable it. You need to tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. The plus is that when you enable it in the developer options, you can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs, but tap at the best one for you. Let's say you don't want to use LDAC, you can swap to AC, and from ANC we can also swap to the LDAC. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!